god. What's going on with the weather? It was so sunny a minute ago, and then all of a sudden it got really grey and just absolutely poured it now. What's going on? Look at the sky. It's a joke. So I went to do my MOT, so it's now MOT'd. And all, what I've got to do on it? I think what I've got to do is got some new front brake pads and the back, so that'll be sorted. Just got to fit them when I've got time. Oh, this is a bad idea, I think, because look at it. I'm like getting wet. I'm drenched already, and I've only just left. Oh, such a bad idea. Such a bad idea. Oh, this road's so shit. It's a joke. Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting drenched now. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, look at the state of me already. Oh no. I might go back. Turn around and go back. I think it's a bit late for that, Shan. Fuck's sake, man. Oh no, I can feel it. It's going through my jacket. I might go back. Oh, I'm going back, man. I'm going to go back. I'm going back. I'm going back. Oh God. I've literally just got back from Lincoln yesterday because I went to see my my fella that I'm seeing. And I was like, oh, I missed my bike, man, because he's... Oh! Okay, I'm going back now. F this. Oh my god, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh my god. My jacket, the liner in my jacket is stuck to my arm. I'm that wet. Jesus Christ. British weather is a lie. 1 minute it's sunny, the next it's pissy. Hey! I can't see because of the water on my visor. Is that inside? Wait a minute, that's fucking inside. Oh great, I can't fucking see inside now. Wicked! Let me go. Hey. What are you doing, you fanny? I don't know why you didn't just like go into there instead of reversing into there. Donut. Oh, well, yeah. Stop raining now, innit? When I'm drenched there. Oh, that's not even funny. You joke. Oh, just my luck. Yeah, and the wet. Yeah. Of course, it's black down there. I'm gonna go this way. Oh fuck it, I'll ride this way. Right. Any cars coming? Go for it, Shani. Get your head down, go. Woo! Do. Are we still recording? Do. We are, do. Yeah! What you want, mate? Come on in. Good lad. Raising the hurry. Don't you dare come out of there, you tratter. You alright, mate? Oh, you see a lot of them in Lincoln, I'll tell you that now. You ever been to Lincoln? The roads, country roads are absolute. It's just literally, all we've got literally of country where I am is probably just this. There's not a lot at all. It's mostly like village and shit.
I done flex, I didn't got respect, cause I kept it pushing late for neglect. Mama told me get it, so I had to get it.
on the way back from Lincoln, because my mum and dad come down, as they've never met his parents before. My parents and his parents have never met, and that was the first time they met yesterday, which was really nice. It was nice to see them all get along and stuff. Where you going? You're going in that little road, good shit. Oh my god, bumps. Actually met each other and they seem to get along, because my mum and dad ride bikes, and he does. I don't think his mum does. His brother does, and so does his dad, which is it's really cool, because they get on, you know, just talk about bikes and stuff, and they did seem to get on really well, which was really nice. Yeah, stay there, good man. Yeah. I hate coming around corners when it's wet. Stay there.
Oh, I was sweat yesterday.
I bet you were. Oh, that's a joke, man. What is that? What is that? What is that? Chill out, Chantal. I mean, something. Oh, so that was my wicked ride. That lasted, what, 20 minutes? So thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.